Hey guys, it's Mr. Haque here back with another video. Here with Haque. We're going to be DeChroming this and making it matte by painting it. So what you need for this is a primer, which is in here. You're going to put everything in the hot water. There's a primer and a black paint. Okay, first you want to mask off the area so you don't get anything on the paint. Okay, so we're going to mask it all around and put some paper around it. Alright guys, we masked it up. It takes a long time, but it's worth it. Just use Lidl, so this is advertisement for Lidl. This is the primer we're using. I'm going to shake it up after getting out the hot water.
Take that off. Straighten some paper. Alright.
Beautiful, beautiful. Completely beautiful.
Right. Quite hard this.
Harsh, isn't it? Oh, that smells. It's like a glue smell. Can you smell it? Hey, let's pray out. Yeah, just go for it. Fully go for it. Watch out for your headlights. When you go around the corners, do slowly. There. That looks sick.
Shit or sick?
No, sick.
Oh, I thought you were going to give me shit when that yeah looks shit, bro.
Careful around the corners because you're getting on the headlight. Fuck it up.
How's it look?
What's on your headlight?
I have, oh yeah.
Just a tiny bit.
I'll just wipe that off.
Does it come off? Yeah, that's fine. So you can always correct it quickly down before you start sticking. You missed a corner.
What?
Up corner. Yeah, do it that way, yeah.
Oops.
What happened there?
Fine too much.
Oh, it's a different colour now. Different shade completely now.
Imagine if I left it like that.
Huh?
Imagine if I left the colour like that.
What do you think? You can make your whole car grey, you know. Using this. What happened? Alright, the primer is done. Just cleaning up some overspray. So cover it up a bit more if you can. And yeah, looks alright at the moment.
Videoing?
Yes, we're using black paint now. Well, that's strong, you know.
Huh?
That's pretty strong. You can see it's matte in it. Well, that smells good though, compared to the other. Oh, it smells of nail varnish.
Yeah.
That's what it smells of. Point them upwards, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah.
You can get this bottom here done first.
You're making the top a bit more darker though.
Huh?
Get the corner done as well.
Yeah.
This corner of your boot thing there. You need to turn it this way. Come here. Come my angle.
Hold just a second. Which one?
That right corner black. That whole corner. Ow.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that black in the corner. Okay. It's going mental now. Go over the top there a bit. Fucking that looks well black now. Is it finished?
Nearly.
The can?
No, not the can.
Oh.
Still got those coming.
I thought you were thinking, what were you gonna go? That right side looks well nice now.
Which one?
Up to here looks alright. Do that corner,
Yeah.
that's it. That's fully black now. Look how nice that looks. Yeah, a bit more. Give me the moment on the top here.
Oh, these cans are hard, you know.
What do you think? I think it looks alright. Middle bit a bit, yeah. Oh yeah. See overrun hobby lava.
Yeah.
Can you see in the middle?
Yeah.
So you sprayed it too much in the middle. It's not bad, is it?
It's all a learning curve to me.
Well, this is curved, you know, so it all makes sense now.
And do the same on that side. Like this. I know all the. If there's anyone who's a professional with cars and judging me with the way I'm holding it, it's because this is fucking well hard.
If you're doing this normally, just spray in short bursts to avoid overrun, like that.
Yeah. So you shoot it like this.
Do you like skirts of it? Yeah, like that. Not like that, that's fucked up.
There you go.
Yeah, do you want to let it dry? This is the end result. He's just going to do one more spray,
Yeah.
but I've run out of time, so I have to go. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.